Hey everyone, the brand sent me this product to review it. This is the pipe Bobo, which is basically a drain cleaner and deodorizer. It's ideal to use, especially if your drain is not draining the water as fast as it should. Over here you got some instructions on how to use the product. And that's how the bottle looks like. It's very easy to open and it comes sealed. So the way it works is you want to sprinkle a decent amount around the drain area and then rinse it with hot water. And then after a few minutes, your pipe should be working as good as new. No plumber required. Hopefully you find this video helpful. I would definitely recommend this product. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.